Hey everybody, this is the latest update, a review of the construction activities surrounding the Allegiant Stadium, home of the Oakland Raiders, also called Las Vegas Stadium. This is what it looks like right now at approximately 8:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 11 excuse me, 9:46 Pacific Standard Time, which is approximately 11:46 now, 11:47 Eastern Standard Time. But let's take a look at what happened during the Saturday, November 2nd. Let's take a look via the archive view here. And we will start with 6 o'clock, just at sunset, and then work backward to the start of the day, and then go forward frame by frame. As you can see, we're moving back because the day is changing. And we are here, 6:20 a.m. Let's try 6 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, it's dark, and can you get a faint idea of what has been done? You can see the black curtain walls here, and you can see that the lanai doors are partly done as well. So let's go forward in time, and let's move toward 6:40 in the morning. 7 o'clock when it's full daylight. And if you take a look between 7 o'clock and 6:40, cars started arriving that weren't there before. Take a look here. And then as we continue to 7 o'clock, there was one crane here and was joined by another. Watch. There. See? Meanwhile, on the other side of the doings, we have these cranes that are in place from the other day, but watch. They're joined by 3 here, working on this lanai door section area. See that? And these are additional cranes here. What these cranes are doing is installing, welding in new fasteners for the curtain wall structure that will hold additional panels in the near future. Another crane, see, same thing. Take a look, see this was here, right? Now go look, watch. Okay, and it's taken down, and guess what? It took it down. See that? Again, and again. So from in 20 minutes, they took that down. Now it's over here. See that? And then this one's over here. Okay. So now by 10 o'clock, it's clear that the lanai door work that they were doing for that segment was done for that time of day. And they're readying more cranes. which it's hard to tell that these are actually being used. Shadow detail. There. See this one up here. Okay. And there's two others on the other side, because on the other side of this stadium, there is no installation of curtain wall, just this side. Also note that the roof is still slowly coming up into place. This is supposed to be fully in place by mid-November. 11:40, 12 noon. Let's move forward to 12:20. And you can see the sun angle changing. 40. And 2:20. And stopped work over here. It's 4:20 to 4:40. Much of the work has subsided. 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So on the outside, it didn't seem to be much work getting done, but let's take a look at what was going on the inside. To go up here and we click on interior view. This is the interior view from that day. And as you can tell, we have a new development. And the new development are these 100 level frames that will fit the poured in concrete seats for the lower basin, which will be prime purchase seats for the Super Bowl, especially on the 50-yard line. So watch those carefully. Now, note the roof from the interior. Now, this is not the roof itself. Once this is fully in place and taut, the process of stretching the fabric along this will begin, and that will take some months. Excuse me, weeks, leading to about a month and a half, I believe. This is the north view. Now, this gives you the actual picture of where the stadium is. The camera that focuses on the stadium from the Delano Hotel is over here on this side. There is no camera online readily available that looks from this side. There should be. So as you can see, there is a long way to go with this stadium. You get a full view look at its progress. It appears to be further along from this side than a full view would indicate. So that's the catch-up as to where construction progress is in the development of what will be an incredible stadium when it is finished and done properly. Allegiant Stadium for the Oakland Raiders in Las Vegas. Stay tuned and subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube.